Today I'll teach you how to upload and share in Google Drive. Firstly, open your Google Drive app. Now, tap on the plus sign which is located on your right hand side. You can see various options here. Tap Upload. You can either upload it from your gallery or from browser. Now you can choose any photos or videos you want to upload. After you have selected, you will have to tap on Upload, which is in the top right. This way you can upload in Google Drive. Now I'll be teaching you how to share in Google Drive. Tap on the three dots which is below your file. There you can see the option of share. Tap on it. Now you can add any people or groups to share your file. Type in their mail address. You also can add a message. And when you're done, press the send button icon. Now open your file and tap on the three dot which is on the top right. Now tap on manage people and links. This way you can see who has access to your file. This is how you upload and share in Google Drive. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.